2007, SmartHome has revolutionized Saudi Arabia's lifestyle by providing complete lighting solutions with the holistic transformation of homes, offices, and cities. SmartHome is synonymous with excellence in lighting and automation systems. We offer improved quality of life, energy-efficient environments, and outstanding customer service. We're involved in the design, supply, and supervision of a variety of applications, from architectural lighting to automation systems. We empower architects, designers, and developers with innovative lighting control, and automation technologies. SmartHome delivers diverse lighting solutions from private residences and commercial venues to governmental organizations, from hospitality and education facilities to healthcare centers and airports, and museums, landscapes, and street lighting. SmartHome's dedicated team collaborates with globally recognized companies spotlighting iconic landmarks worldwide. And the result? A live architecture that isn't just aesthetically pleasing, but also smart, secure, and energy efficient. SmartHome, the complete lighting solution.
Good morning, everyone. I'm very pleased to be here among you with our partners, AEC, it's landscape and external lighting, street lighting from Italy, Bartenbach from Austria, the lighting designers, Lutron as well, and Qtron from the US. It's my pleasure. I started my journey in lighting in 1999 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where the business is. In fact, what we see right now is totally different from what has been. The education of lighting or the culture of lighting now is one of the top. Thanks to the 2030 vision by His Royal Highness, Prince Mohammed bin Salman, and at the same time, we see a truly landmark project. I would like my presentation to be not a conventional one, rather it just to pinpoint simple things that we really need to go with the lighting journey in Saudi. Okay. Yes, indeed, we are, we try to make the space nice and happening, and at the same time, we go deep into the architecture. This is one of our leads and our rules in SmartHome. In the interplay of light and architecture, spaces become living sculptures, embodying harmony, rhythm, and sublime beauty. Okay. Our company we've been in business since 2007. We have 3 branches, almost 140 project plus. We've got over 110 partners and manufacturers, and also we are 80% young. Our company is not that big. We're about 22 people, but highly focused on lighting. Our DNA is lighting, in fact. So we started 2007 of high-end residential, then we promoted to commercial in 2011, and then we governmental project 2014. 2021 we are in the mega projects, and now, hopefully our vision is the smart cities, and of course the lighting, which is a basic pillar of it. Our services, what we can do for you, what we can do for the mega projects in Saudi, we focus on 4 basic things. We supply lighting fixtures as a complete range, and SmartHome is not a box mover that we bring the product from Italy to Saudi, no. We add value in the design, and we add value as well in the supervision and installation. We make sure that this product is installed right, and it is, as the designer intended to be. We also go in the lighting design. When there is a big project, we immediately cooperate with Bartenbach, our partners from Austria, and we try to make a tailor-made solution for it. Also, we have the automation systems. We have the lighting control system, smart automation systems, motorized shading systems with our partners, Lutron, and the wiring devices. Of course, also the high-tech systems. These are some of our projects. Right now we have done, this is one of the biggest in Saudi, in Riyadh, the Movenpick, 650 rooms. This is the Music Academy. It's one of the beautiful, buildings that's on Tahrir Street, our Champs-Élysées in Riyadh, so to speak. Now, this is the talk of the town. This is the Via Riyadh. SmartHome basically did all of it, the lighting, and it was a big challenge because the specified material were, overly too expensive and the delivery time was not feasible. We're talking about 4 months. And Sila, which is part of PIF company, they wanted this project to be done in very short period of time. So we had the challenges of, tilted, facade places, surfaces, and we managed basically to go the extra mile and do it. So, this has like top restaurants, Michelin stars restaurants, and cigar lounges. It's right in the heart of Riyadh. This is the ITCC. Okay, we did this like back in 2014. For those who know Earth Cafe, it's like, it is the cafe. If you come to Riyadh, you have to go there. It's one of the best places. The lighting is nice, and the ambience is great. It's not a big one, but we really take pride in doing this landmark, restaurant and cafe. Now we move to our partners projects, which done, by our manufacturers, internationally. This project here is the Ahmed Hamidi. This is in Ankara. It's a mosque in Ankara. It's done by a German lighting company, Meyer. Also, Bartebach, our partners, these are some of their projects. Of course, I can touch briefly. They started in 1960. They've got over 10,000 projects. They're really a benchmark in lighting design and then consultant. So this is the Grand Museum, okay, in Egypt. They also done the Royal Clock Tower in Mecca, the tower and the Haram as well. So both of them, they have done the lighting design for it. And the Medina Mosque of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Also, our partners AEC, their factory is next to Florence. And Florence, this is where the art and aesthetical, comes to play. They just debuted. They came out with a beautiful street lighting, which is completely sustainable, and it has the solar panel, okay, which comes on a lateral basis, not the conventional solar on the top of it. Okay, it's got the nice architectural shape. It is designed by David Opizzi from Switzerland with a collaboration of AEC. And if you have some time, we can go visit the factory. AEC factory is not too far, next to Florence. It's state of the art. Okay. Now I will be touching on quickly, because not much time left, on some of the technologies that we use in the lighting. You see, this is in Seoul, one of the places. The beauty is to show the architecture, not show the luminaires itself. Here, for example, we make sure that, this is by our partners, Airco, by the way, and to make sure that there's no light pollution or light spillage, which means if you are, in the plane, you will look and you don't see anything that is hurting eye. It's the light is directed where it is meant to be on this object. I would like everyone to see this one here. It's a nice example. The right side, okay, is basically has the is lit from Airco, and the other side is lit from another company. We don't want to show luminaires. We don't want to show the lighting fixtures. We need to show basically the light. So you see the right side, it is lit, you don't see anything, and we avoid the reflection on the facade, on the glasses, which means that there is no reflection. It means it's good visibility in, out, and clear visibility. Another example of how we approach lighting is that on the left side, there are 5, downlights. On the right side, there are only 3 wall washers. Here is 175 watt, here 105 watt, which is a saving of 40%. So it's no-brainer that, the beautiful lighting is the right side because, visual illuminance is the basic pillar of, good lighting. And we call it that 80% of our lighting perception comes from vertical lighting. That's another example. Here we're using 7, here we're using 4. Because the beam is elliptical here, you get a much better lighting distribution with almost half the luminaires. Here are some of our partners, of course. One of them is, of course, Qtran, coming also from US, and AEC. Just needless to say, that architecture is the art of sculpturing spaces, while lighting is the art of sculpting emotions within those spaces. Light makes house a home. And to my understanding, that a city like Riyadh, for example, now, I view it as a museum, and every building is a painting. Thank you very much for listening to us. Have a great day. Thank you.